Unlocking the meaning of have the measure of. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, have the measure of. This phrase is not only rich in meaning but also widely used in various contexts. Understanding it can really help you in both understanding English better and in making your conversations more colorful. So, let's get started. To have the measure of someone or something means to understand them or it completely. When you have the measure of a person or a situation, it implies that you know their strengths and weaknesses well enough to predict their behavior or the outcome of the situation. It's like having an insight or an upper hand in a scenario because you've figured out all the critical details. The phrase, have the measure of, comes from the literal idea of measuring something to determine its size, capacity, or extent. Over time, this concept has been metaphorically extended to understanding the capabilities or the nature of people and situations. It's commonly used in both professional settings and personal interactions. For example, in sports, a coach might say they have the measure of the opposing team, meaning they understand their tactics and weaknesses well enough to devise a winning strategy. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. 1. After working closely with her for years, I finally have the measure of my boss's expectations. 2. The chess player had the measure of his opponent by the middle of the game, predicting his moves with ease. 3. In the debate, it was clear that she had the measure of the argument, countering every point flawlessly. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express a deep understanding or an advantage gained through knowledge. Understanding phrases like, have the measure of, not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of the nuances in English communication. We hope this video has given you a clear insight into this phrase and that you can now confidently use it in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.